Hello, this is Luca with Native Video. We've just published our latest release, and I've spent some time creating video tutorials and video demos to showcase the key features that are part of our latest release. Now, video might be an obvious way for us to create our communication and especially showcasing our features. But video is a proven way to get people interested in the workplace. Actually, a Forrester research suggests that the people in the workplace are 75% more likely to watch a video than to look for articles or to read text maybe in an email. So if you also want to experiment with showcasing your key features of a new release, or maybe just your release notes, or capture your latest product, your latest communication, your latest event invitation on a video, why don't you get in touch and we see if we can actually get people 75% more interested in what you have to say in your communication thanks to video.